what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. So today we have a very special video. For one, we have this super cute little wig right here. Okay, we're gonna be reviewing that. She's super cute, but also it's relaunch day for the Luxe collection. That's where this wig is from the Luxe collection. So I'm super excited. Let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's wig is from the Luxe collection. This is in the style Solange. This is what your wig will come in. It's just a double line silk bag. It comes with a name card with care instructions on the back. This is a beautiful blunt cut curly bob. It is a lace part wig, 1.5 by 4. It has combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band, which I love. It has hair on the underside of the cap, so you don't have to worry about any tracks showing or lace or anything. She's beautiful. I'm gonna co-wash and I'll be back.
Here's our girl. This is her completely dry. Okay, 100% dry. Miss Solange, hey girl. I'm really excited for a couple of reasons. One, I love a quick and easy wig, and I love a bob because I feel like a bob just really elevates something and it gives it like a little bit of some edge. And so I'm really excited to have like a blunt cut curly bob because they just hit every time. Like I just don't even play around with me. But then also too, Michelle, I am getting rid of Michelle. She will no longer return because I just feel like every time I wore Michelle, I would sometimes like put her in the like closer to the middle to make it more like a middle part, even though it was meant to be a side part, because I just wanted a middle part curly bob so bad. And so here we have it. So once again, this is Miss Solange, and I'm super excited just to be relaunching, period. But I'm also super excited to be adding this wig to the site. Listen, if you know, you know, it's been like back and forth with me in terms of like wanting to continue the Luxe collection and then wanting to not. So I'm excited to just be back into it. So let me try her on. For me, like I love the lace part wigs because I don't require like a lot of lace. I'm not somebody who like needs a frontal, needs a 4x4 or 5x5. I don't need that. Like a lace part for me is perfect because I usually wear my wigs behind my hairline, calm down, I'm getting too excited, behind my hairline, and I usually either wear a middle or a side part anyway. For me, if you are new here, you probably don't know, but I like a quick and easy pop on and go kind of a wig. I do not want to be spending a lot of time on my wigs. My hair styling is different. Like if I'm gonna do a hairstyle, I anticipate to spend like a lot of time on it because it's a hairstyle that I'm gonna keep in for a long period of time. For me, with a wig, I'm taking it off at the end of the night. You understand? I'm not sleeping in her. I'm not doing it. I'm taking it off at the end of the night. So I do not want to spend a lot of time laying and styling the wig when I'm gonna be taking it off in a few hours. You understand? Like, so, and then again, like I always say, you already spend enough time on your makeup, you're trying to find your outfit, put your outfit together, and don't nobody got time to be then exerting even more time and energy on their hair. By the time it's time for you to go out, you don't want to go because you're too tired from getting ready. No. So where I could really like save some time, I do, and that's with my wigs. So let's just pop her on. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? It's so sad for me. Like I broke my hair scissors, both pairs. So now, and you know how busy I be, girl. I haven't had time to like go and get me some new hair scissors. So I'm having to use these big old paper scissors. Oh my God. Don't do this. I actually am gonna take this off because I don't want to mess it up. And then no show on the sides as far as like lace, So when the wind blows, you don't gotta worry about like lace showing, which is like really annoying for me when I have on like a frontal wig and I'm only utilizing the middle part. It's very annoying when the wind blows and it's like you can see my lace or the sides of my wig flapping up. It's just like, please stop embarrassing me. So normally I wouldn't do like any extra added like swoops, but I'm just going to, for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna swoop them down into like my edges that's already there. I'm gonna take this Fit Me powder and then I'm gonna just hook the part up. And there we have it. Super quick, super easy. Now let's fluff her up. I almost don't want to because I'm really like loving this look as far as like their super defined look. I'll do a little something. I'm gonna do a little separation, just a little. So I'm gonna do just a little taste, like literally. I'll do a little extra in the back because I like that look. I'm so excited, so cute. Okay, so this is the final look. Again, I'm always saying the final look as if that like took so much work. It really did not. But this is the final look. I'm super excited. It's super cute. I could fluff it up even more, but I'm gonna just let it rock like this because I think it looks really cute like this. But I also feel like it would look super cute like fluffed up, so you could really see like the bluntness of like the cut. For me, this is just my favorite type of wig. It makes me so excited. I love these easy wigs because I won't say it again because I'm gonna be very repetitive, but like, you know why. I just really do. I love them. They look like you put so much effort in and you didn't, which is the best part. And this curl is just like super cute and pretty. So yeah, y'all, Solange is a hit, like period. Run to the internets right now and go get your hands on her. She's a hit. Like, and when I tell you, be prepared to be sick of me, be prepared to be sick of me because I'm gonna be wearing this a whole lot for the next few seasons, okay? A lot in this spring, especially a lot in the summer, because you know, when it's hot, I mostly protect the style, but if I do throw a wig on, I don't want something that's gonna be on my back unless one, I can keep it wet, okay? Or two, like it's short. Period. I want to know what you think. Let me know down in the comments. That was pretty much it. Like, this was a very quick and straight to the point video and wig. Like, it's really not much to do with it, which is again why I love it. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Please let me know down in the comments what you think. I need to know. Again, I'm super excited for the relaunch of the Luxe collection. We are back, baby. So be sure to check out the luxecollectionxo.com so you can see all that we have, because we don't only have wigs, we have jewelry as well, and we have lash extensions. Get into it, baby. So yeah, go over there to the site, show us some love, look around. You might find something that you like, okay? When I tell you the jewelry pieces are really good quality, they last a very long time. Again, the things that I sell to you are things that I wear myself, so when I tell you they last a long time, they last a long time. This necklace I wear all the time. It's actually not available no more though. Sorry, I probably shouldn't even go into that. I won't. This bracelet I literally never ever take off, and it is still in such good condition. When I tell you, like, I don't take this bracelet off, I don't take this bracelet off, okay? Like, I shower with it and everything. I don't recommend you do that though, but I do. I literally don't take it off ever, and it is still in such great condition. All of the rings that I'm usually wearing are from the Luxe collection, so check out the jewelry. You might be surprised. Like, we got some good pieces and they are great quality. You already know the link to this wig will be in the description box for you to check it out. You already know that. You know that, period. So go down there and check that out. To give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.